Hi there. Welcome to this quick but powerful tutorial on how to write a simple, clear, and compelling LinkedIn headline, plus how to rewrite your About section using AI. If people land on your LinkedIn page and feel confused or overwhelmed, that's a red flag. But with the right headline and a strong About section, you'll instantly show them who you are, what you do, and how you can help. Let's get into it. Your LinkedIn headline is one of the most visible parts of your profile. It appears when you comment, when people search, and right under your name. But here's what I see too often: complicated, overcrowded headlines with 3 to 5 different roles and random buzzwords. The truth is, if you confuse them, you lose them. Instead, go for clarity over cleverness. You want people to land on your profile and immediately know what you do, who you help, and the transformation you offer. Here's a great format that works every time. I help audience to benefit transformation, your role. For example, I help you build strategies that speak to humans, not just algorithms, social media strategist. It's clear, it's human, it connects instantly. Now let's sync your headline with your LinkedIn banner. If your headline starts with "I help," your banner can simply flip it into "Helping audience to achieve result." So using our earlier example, headline, I help you build strategies that speak to humans, not just algorithms. Banner text, helping brands grow with human-first content strategies. It creates a consistent and professional look. When someone sees your profile, everything aligns, and that builds trust. Now let's talk about your About section. This is where you tell your story, who you are, what you do, and why it matters. But writing it can feel hard, right? Now let's talk about your About section. This is where you tell your story, who you are, what you do, and why it matters. But writing it can feel hard, right? Let's make it easy using ChatGPT. Step 1. Go to https://chat.openai.com. If you don't have an account, just sign up with your email and password. It's free. Once you're in, you'll see a simple chat interface. Step 2. Use this prompt to rewrite your About section. I want to rewrite my LinkedIn About section. I am your profession, and I help your target audience to solve a problem or achieve a result. Please make it sound clear, confident, and human, like I'm having a conversation with a friend. Example: I am a social media strategist. I help busy entrepreneurs create content that connects with real people, not just algorithms. Please rewrite my LinkedIn About section in a way that feels genuine, confident, and easy to read. Step 3. Copy, paste, tweak. ChatGPT will generate a first draft. Read through it, tweak anything you want to personalize, then copy it over to your LinkedIn profile. Extra tips. Keep your About section conversational. Use I and you. Avoid jargon. End with a call to action like, if you're looking to improve your content strategy, send me a message. I'd love to connect. Also, update your headline and About section at the same time for consistency. Extra tips. Keep your About section conversational. Use I and you. Avoid jargon. End with a call to action like, if you're looking to improve your content strategy, send me a message. I'd love to connect. Also, update your headline and About section at the same time for consistency. And that's it. You've just learned how to write a clear, compelling headline, align it with your banner, and rewrite your About section using AI. Remember, clarity builds connection, and connection builds trust. If you do this right, your LinkedIn profile becomes a magnet for the right people and the right opportunities. Drop your questions in the comments section below. See you in the next video.